Hello everybody, today we have some bunch of surprises. And what? We have 3 eggs and 4 some buckets, and there's some lunchbox and some skitties. And one skitty there feeds kitties. That's a piggy bank, of course. That's just a piggy bank. So let's open up. First, let's open up this pumpkin. We have building blocks. What is great? We have a raccoon from Rottweiler. A raccoon, I think. I think this one Rottweiler. Ben 10. And this is a light up one. It lights up. See? It lights up. We have SpongeBob, a sharpener. We have Sully from Cars, a movie moments. Mike is also in a surprise egg. You need to think. Where is it? We have a Hot Wheels. We have a orange Lamborghini. What? Turn on the light. Okay. It's turning it on. Here's a DJ clip. A DJ clip from a surprise egg, from a car surprise egg. It's actually the old one, not the new one. And here is the Bull-Decker bus. And let's put it away. So we're gonna move on to the next surprise. Next, we're gonna open this red egg here. Yeah, here we have Mater and a lollipop. Mater and a lollipop. That's my favorite egg because I love cars too much. I like cars. Here's a lollipop, not just Jollipop. Happy lipstick, but it's wrong spelling of happy lipstick. And here's Mater. I guess I'm just gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. So I'm doing YouTube, okay? So I'm gonna eat it. Sorry, it's getting dark because I'm running out of battery. So let's open all these skitties right here. We have the Mummy and Grimlock. Next we have another red egg. We have Lightning McQueen and Guido. Next, let's open the store bucket. We have Luigi, Min and Dave, Buzz Lightyear, a skateboard, and Buzz for All. Now we're gonna open this orange egg. We have Mike Wazowski. Great choice, guys. Okay, wait first. I need to close this. And lastly, let's open this 7 Seas lunchbox. Wow! Raphael's skateboard. A guard. A gas station, like McQueen again, Grimace, and Bowser. Okay, bye and thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe in these surprises. Bye. What was your favorite egg? These are my top 2 favorite eggs, the Cars eggs, because I love cars too much. like what I'm wearing right now. Cars. See? That's what I'm liking right now. And my whole black box, but there's a few Monster Highs. Because I got from a party arena. This one fails. This egg is wobbly. Bye and thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and